Hey friends, welcome back to the Bay East Association of Realtors Grab and Go videos. Here today with another good one for you. Do you have clients looking to purchase property for multiple classes? For example, a client who is interested in single-family homes as well as a duplex or a triplex. You can perform a multi-class search for them very easily within Paragon. First, go to Search, then select Multi-Class from the bottom of the list. From this page, you can select the criteria your client is searching for. Start with the classes they are interested in. If your client is only interested in certain building types like detached, duplexes, or fourplexes, you can customize your search to include building type. Watch the How to Customize Your Search Fields video to learn how to do this step. Then select the active status. Complete the criteria requested by your client, such as the city and price range, and hit search at the upper right-hand corner. You will now see all the active listings that match your search criteria regardless of class. You can customize your search spreadsheet to make it easier to determine which properties are the best matches for your clients. Watch How to Customize Search Spreadsheet results if you do not know how to do this. Now you have completed your multi-class search for your clients. Thanks for watching and see you on the next Grab and Go video.